Hey guys, so I'm going to be talking about internal validity. Internal validity is broken down as examining whether the observed change in a dependent variable is indeed caused by corresponding change in hypothesized independent variable. So I'm going to be talking about how history and how it correlates with anatomy and physiology. So with history, it's described as observed effects are caused by historical and external events. So connecting with anatomy and physiology, how many people tend to struggle in this class. That being said, there are several ways on how students actually increase their grade and knowledge of this topic. These two that I'm listing are not the only two, but they are the majority. Seeking for help from tutors on outside the course, as well as having anatomy and physiology background in previous courses or in high school as well. I know that my high school offered anatomy and physiology, and how talking to other classmates and how that also gave them a huge benefit to other students, or as well as in the class because of the familiarity that they had within that. And these results of just having previous knowledge of the course material, because the course load is very heavy, is that they tend to have higher grades compared to others that either didn't have previous backgrounds or just didn't bother to really try as much in the class, because it's only a 200 level course, but the material and depth of everything can go into details to a certain extent. So with having history and these variables that are incorporated within everything, it can actually have a huge impact on whether you can either pass the class or barely pass it or versus failing. So thank you.